The animals are sad. Let's help them. Move the Well done. Try another one. Yes, it's a That's right. It's a bear. Yay! You got all the animals.
Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Boom boogie.
The animals are hungry. Feed them. Put the food on the animals. Well done. Good girl. Well done. A hare eats carrots. What a job you did. You fed all the animals.
Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. Boom boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Let's put the animals in their homes. Move the animal to its house. Try another. Yes, that's the hare's house. Try another one. Well done. That's the elephant's house. Right, that's the bear's house.